This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the AirPods Pro in their case and making sure they have a charge. Low battery can interrupt pairing. Once done, unlock your iPhone or iPad and turn on Bluetooth. You need the device awake to receive the prompt. Make sure the case lid is open and hold it next to your device. You can also press and hold the setup button on the case if the automatic card doesn't appear. This starts the secure handoff Apple uses to authenticate accessories. You'll see a pairing animation. Tap Connect and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm which ear controls and features you want. When asked, choose to link the AirPods to your Apple ID so they appear across your devices. This is why pairing once often suffices. Make sure to set noise control modes and spatial audio preferences during setup, because changing them later is possible, but doing it now saves time. If you use an Android device, switch to Bluetooth settings and pair from the list instead. You should now test playback, microphone, and the force sensor controls to confirm everything works. Make sure the ear tips create a seal for best ANC and bass. If the AirPods don't appear, open Bluetooth settings, tap the device, then forget and retry pairing. Sometimes a fresh start clears connection glitches. As a last resort, reset the case by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This restores factory settings and lets you start pairing from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.